How you have your intellectual property protected. I search Compass Rose. This is my pattern. Uh, this is also my stained glass window. And they're making them in China, small versions at 8 inches circle. So what you do, you hit the three little dots, and they don't. You could say remove the result, or go to feedback, right? And send feedback to Google, right? You say, oh, wait a minute, legal removal issue, right? Hit that. And right here, what you do is you fill out all this information, and the allegedly infringing content, right? You just explain you were searching for whatever, and then the resulting page, and then what you do is you choose files. You make a screenshot of yours, okay, and then describe, say, hey, that's my work, yada yada, and include with the files any screenshot or actual files of your digital proof. In other words, my image for that file has a data stamp on it, shows the date it was created. You go into your file and look up information on the file. You left or right mouse click, get info, and it'll tell you exactly the date that you created that file, or the date you uploaded it to Google through the Wayback Machine. Right? And then you just click it, and you do it. It's actually an electronic signature, and hit submit, and they will get back to you. I mean, I didn't run it through yet on this one, but it's a definitely infringing content. They don't go too much into it, but they know exactly what you want. If you tell them, hey, that's my stuff, and what Google can do, they can't go after the Chinese company or Amazon, but they can remove that image from their indexing. Alright? So that's how you do it. And it all comes down to when someone's looking for what you have made, either in a search criteria or an image or what have you. And what happens is if someone copies your image, and if it's on a server like Amazon, it'll blow away your image because Amazon's got a higher page rank, meaning it's more popular online. So this company that's making my Compass Rose, it's squashing all of my images of that same Compass Rose, and that's terrible. So I don't follow through with a lot of. I've got to a point where I just almost given up. But when I see something blatant like this, I go after it. And trust me, the folks in China that are making this are not a Pattern Club member. I mean, if they were, it's all good. But I know they're not. I don't have any Chinese mass producers in my Pattern Club. And the image itself was actually ripped from one of my images, and they copied it, almost exact. So just wanted to point that out. All right, that's how you protect your IP.